In comparison to its 24-hour low, Solana has increased by 5% today, rising from $36.82 early this morning to $38.67 as of this writing. According to CoinGecko, its current price also marks a 20% increase over the previous week and a 19% increase over the previous 14 days. Solana now ranks 10th among the top 100 cryptocurrencies in terms of performance over the past week, behind coins like Evmos, Ape, XRD, Atom, HNT, RPL, and RVN. They also represent a partial recovery for the alternative currency, which had a tough 2022 and fell by 85% from its record high of $259.96 reached in November 2021. But with Solana anticipating a number of significant improvements, like its integrations with Helium and Hivamapper, it appears that the platform's impending growth and evolution are driving its native token higher and helping it regain lost ground. On the road to recovery, Solana price. Solana has decreased by 17% over the past month, while it has increased by about 35% over the past 90 days. It is significant that its technical indications show a gathering of momentum, with its relative strength index breaking through 60 today and approaching 70. It's also important to note that the 30-day moving average for Solana, seen above in red, is still below the 200-day average, in blue. This suggests that it's still waiting for a rally, and given that its RSI is now rising, that rally might happen soon. The principles of Solana, which have been bolstered by growing Solana usage, add to this mistrust. In example, it appears that Helium, a decentralized wireless infrastructure platform, will move to Solana soon, pending a community vote. In just 8.5 days, this vote will be over, and if it passes, the market might have another Solana rise. However, this isn't the only intriguing development on Solana's horizon. In the upcoming months, the global map platform Hivamapper will soon launch on its blockchain. For Solana, such releases are immensely bullish. And when combined with data demonstrating a significant increase in Solana-based NFT transactions and volume, they explain why Solana is currently enjoying a great deal of success. A killer for Ethereum? According to DeFilama, Solana is presently the 5th largest Layer 1 blockchain in terms of total value locked in. However, before the recent market slowdown and a number of terrible technological setbacks, it had been on course to grow much more in late 2021. In fact, Solana has had at least 5 outages this year, with block production pausing at different times due to consensus failure and other problems. Such events led to severe price declines for Solana, with the currency seeing considerable losses in the first few months of 2022 and in April and May. And Solana also experienced a brief outage in early August. As a result, it has just recently been able to resume expansion. The aforementioned integrations have aided in this, and there have also been a number of network enhancements that should, in theory, lessen the likelihood of more interruptions. In fact, a Bybit analysis from the latter part of August found that Solana had had significant growth in Q2 of this year, mostly due to enhancements that increased traffic in a variety of activity categories, such as NFTs and DAOs. With the next Solana Summer Camp Hackathon occurring in Q3, the report's authors predicted that developer activity would continue to increase. Q2 saw sustained growth in developer activity as daily active programs broke above 1,100 for the first time on May 30, they stated. Such development is quite positive, as Solana will need to keep improving its software and releasing new applications if it wants to remain competitive with Ethereum after this week's merge. Solana has increased by greater percentages than Ethereum in the last week, therefore there's a potential it might succeed in this.